Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed and you are new to this channel guys, please kindly consider subscribing as you pass through with this video guys. So today I'm going to show you, I'm going to prepare a special video guys today, so watch. So the things you see here guys, so I want to differentiate you between the Ppr welding machine and the manual. We call the manual because we use the Jiko to weld this pipe of Ppr. So guys, before I start, I would like to show you which kind of the materials or the fittings that I'm going to use it, so that to weld this the Ppr. I will show you the tools that I'm going to use to weld the Ppr pipe of 3/4 and the Ppr pipe of 1 inch accordingly to the Ppr welding machine guys. So guys, I'm going to start with this. The things you see here, this is the GIT of 1 inch guys. You can see it is written 1 inch. So, and you take the hex nipple of 1 inch. This is the hex nipple of 1 inch. Then you join it like this. You join like this guys, the way I'm doing. Yeah, this one will be the manual, our manual of 1 inch. And then you take the GI of 3/4 guys. This is the GIT of 3/4 and the GI hex nipple of 3/4. Then you join the way I'm doing guys, like this. When you don't this to those one who don't have the Ppr welding machine, they will use this one. Yeah, like this. You join. You see already this is my fitting that I'm going. This is the fitting that I will put on the Jiko, so that to weld the pipe of 1 inch, and this one I will use it to weld the Ppr pipe of 3/4 guys. This is the same as this, which is the 32. It is written 32. You can see here, this is the 32. But if you are not seeing well, you see this is the 32. This is the same as this. Yeah guys, you remember this, don't forget. And this is the same as this, which is 20 millimeter. This one is the 3/4. So guys, consider watching as I'm going through. Then I will put this on this Jiko. Then you put this. If you remember, if you don't have the Ppr welding machine, and make sure you have the pliers. You have the pliers, so that it will assist you to hold this when you are joining these Ppr pipes or fittings guys. So as this one is continue heating, then we can continue with this. So guys, I'm going to start with this. This is the Ppr. To those one who have this, then you should use the teeth of 3/4. So already I have fixed to this Ppr welding machine. This one you will not use the pliers. Go. So guys, if you don't know how to use the Ppr welding machine, this is how you will use. This is the pipe of 1 inch and this is the elbow of 1 inch. Then you weld like this, the way I'm doing. You remove slowly. Yeah, this is the 1 inch pipes. So we have done that. Then we want to try the 3/4 size, the 3/4 size. So this is how you weld. This is the 3/4. This is the size of 3/4 and this is the size of 1 inch. Then you weld like this. To those who don't know how to use this, yeah, like that guys. So it's time now guys to use this manual if you don't have the Ppr welding machine. So guys, this is the one you will use it. Then you make sure you have the Jiko and the charcoal. So I want to try, then you see. So we are going to start with this 1 inch. So already it has got its heat. So you place like this on the GI to the fitting that you want. The way I'm doing, then you see this my pipe. see, then you join. You can see, guys. Yeah, like that. This is the manual. Use the charcoal and the Jiko. Then I want to join this, the 3/4. This is the size of 3/4. Then we take the 3/4, guys, and plus the pipe of the 3/4. Then we join like this. Then you remove. Yeah, like that, guys. So guys, you see this thing here, we joined by using the manual, the GI, this one, this fitting here, which is the manual. You burn it using the Jiko, and this guys. So I want to differentiate this. So the difference of the manual and the Ppr welding machine. So the Ppr welding machine, it got its source of power from the electricity, guys, and this one you will use it by the Jiko, the way I'm doing. Yeah, you make sure you put your fire on the, you can decide to use the charcoal or the firewood, then you make the fire. So guys, then you place your this thing here, the thing I showed, this is the GIT and the hex nipple joined together. Then you will use the pliers to hold this on this side, guys. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. So guys, I think this is the end of this video, guys. So please, if you have watched and not yet subscribe, so kindly subscribe. If you have any comment, you can comment, you can share to your friend, guys. So thank you for watching this video. So continue following Joseph Plumbers, then you should be able to know more things. Thank you, guys.